Check out the amazing magic pens. Draw with one colour, use your magic activator pen and instantly change the colour. Erase colours in seconds. Draw with your eraser pens and use the magic activator pen to make it disappear. Great for Christmas cards and correcting mistakes. Create 3D writing. Use the colour changing pens and the eraser pens together with your magic activator pen to create incredible three-dimensional letters. You can write and reveal secret messages. They have shock-proof tips, so they are made to last. They're washable and easy to remove from fabrics and skin. 25 amazing magic pens included. Remember, they change colour. They erase in seconds. They create 3D writing. They write secret messages. They have shock-proof tips, and they are washable for quality. Pick up yours today.
With the Magician's secret cards, you will always know which card a spectator selects.
Show me. Hey, you got it? Check it out. Watch this. Could have had any card. You took that one. This is quite interesting because if you were to take, for example, the Nine of Diamonds, right? And Louise just goes boom like that. It just changes to your selection.
Transform the entire deck into the spectator's chosen card.
That was good. That was mental. That was good.
But I'll tell you what, it's madness because if you put the three of clubs there, right? And for example, I was to take, I don't know, let's say the jack of clubs. If I put the jack of clubs there, put your hand on the jack of clubs, keep it flat, and I've got the three of clubs, right? Watch this. It goes, look, I've got the jack of clubs. What have you got? Clubs, and put it on there. Put your hand on the jack of clubs more flat. So I've got the three of clubs. You've got the jack of clubs. Watch this. You go through your hand there like this. Now I've got the jack of clubs. Check out what you've got.
No. Oh, no.
3 or 4 piles like that. And ask you to point to one of those piles. Do you want it here, here, here? Where do you want the three of clubs?
Here.
Not there?
No, here.
Right. Actually, it wouldn't make any difference if you took them there.
That was amazing. Oh, nice.
And you know what? Sometimes I do cheat because I know we've got more than one three of clubs sometimes. What we have to do is put this on here, check it out, watch, and then the whole card's changed into three of clubs. Every card. I think this is a great trick, you know, the sort of tricks where you can just spread out like this. You spread the cards, and I'm going to, in a moment, just get you to take any card at all. So just literally touch the back of any card. Yeah, got it? Have a look at it, remember it? You got it? Okay, show everybody at home, it's very important. Okay, and just pop it back in here. Inside, in the middle. Yeah. Fair? Okay, this is quite interesting. What I'm going to do now is watch this, watch. Ready? Watch. Take your card. Is that your card?
Yeah.
Take it. Go on, take it.
I can't.
Why not?
Because it's in the window. How to get it back?